Hi everyone, in this video we want to simplify this expression. I want you to note that minus a is equal to minus a over 1. So in place of minus 8 we can write minus 8 over 1. So minus 8 over 1 all raised to power minus 2 over 3. I want you to note that if we have a over b all raised to power minus c over d is equal to b over a all raised to power c over d. So let us apply this principle to this expression. So we can say 1 over minus 8 all raised to power 2 over 3. I want you to note that if you have a over b all raised to power c over d can be written as d root a raised to power c over b raised to power c. So let us apply this principle to this expression. So we can say cube root one raised to power 2 over minus 8 raised to power 2, and we are going to have cube root 1 raised to power 2 is 1 and minus 8 raised to power 2 is 64. 1 over 64, and this can be expressed as cube root 1 over cube root 64, which is equal to cube root of 1 is 1 and cube root of 64 is 4. This is our answer. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.